Ang celebrity couple na sina Sara Geronimo at Matteo Guidicelli umattend at nagpakilig sa kakatapos lamang na grand opening ng Uniqlo flagship store na isa sa kanilang clothing brand na ini-endorso. Ngayong araw ng Miyerkules May 15 ay nagbukas na ng pinakabagong store ng Uniqlo sa SM Mall of Asia kung saan naimbitahan sa grand opening ang mag-asawang Sara Geronimo at Matteo Guidicelli. Nakasama din nilang nagpasaya at umattend sa ginanap na grand opening ng Uniqlo store ang iba pang personalidad na ambassador ng naturang brand kabilang na sina Jasmine Curtis at Kyle Echari. Samantala, kinakiligan naman ng maraming netizens ang isang nakakakilig na video snap ng mag-asawang Sara Geronimo at Matteo Guidicelli mula sa ginanap na grand opening. Sa video kasi ay mapapanood ang pagiging sweet ni Matteo Guidicelli sa kanyang misis na si Sara Geronimo kung saan ay palagi itong nakayakap, nakaakbay at halos hindi na nga sila mapaghiwalay na dalawa sa isa't isa, bagay na siyang agad napansin at kinakiligan ng marami netizens. Narito ating panuorin ang video na iyan at ang mga kaganapan sa Uniqlo grand opening ngayong araw sa SM Mall of Asia.
Good afternoon!
Good afternoon, everybody!
Good
afternoon, Janina!
Good afternoon!
How is life with Uniqlo?
Very good! Very quality and versatile! Yes!
Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat, to all our friends from Uniqlo, our media friends, influencer, lahat. Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Hi Dave, magandang hapon sa iyo. And Gigi TV, wherever you are, hello. Is she here?
Hi, Miss Gigi.
She's somewhere. Okay. Oh, she's there. Oh, not there. Okay. Anyways.
I love this matching outfit that you have, this coordination. Super coords.
Okay, the three of us, we're all matching.
Oh! Alam me na lang.
Yes.
Okay, but you know, we all know that you guys have busy schedules, right? And I'm sure it's super therapeutic to shop at Uniqlo. It's super clean, it's super... Welcome to Uniqlo! Napauto mo sila. Lovely, ang Uniqlo store is really a happy place for us.
It really is, especially when we come every month. We come here once or twice a month, maybe 3 or 4 times a month actually. But every time we come in, there's always new and fresh clothes. Diba? So we have so many things to choose from.
Excited.
Yeah,
May 17 pa.
Yes.
I'm sure they'll make an exception for you guys.
No, they haven't. Uniqlo is really like that. So, you know, they really follow the rules and everything. So we're going to do it May 17th. We're going to come back here.
Yes, on Friday. Yeah, but you mentioned that there are new styles every week, right? Or very, very often. But I want to ask, which pieces do you usually get?
Enter piece.
Yes.
Thank you very much, madam. Maybe you want to go first?
I like wearing t-shirts because they're very comfortable to wear and easy to pair with anything. Itong hawak ko is the Airism cotton short sleeve t-shirt. I was wearing this the other day lang sa airport no? Kasi ang init ng panahon, but it felt light.
Guys, over here, please. Ready?
3, 2, 1, smile!
One more here, guys. Ready? Okay.
Okay.